All right, good afternoon, traders. Today is July 26, 2024. This is the BYOB Market Wrap Up with me, John Kerrigan. I moderate the BYOB Trading Room. Let's take a look at some charts. All right, so here's SPY, 10-minute chart, into the close, just a consolidation cross right there. So just inking out a bullish cross at the end of the day. Nice big tail candle right there. So consolidating over, excuse me, 543.76. That was our pivot. Probably be our pivot on Monday. All right. So there's SPY on the 10-minute chart getting a bullish cross. On the 2-hour chart. 2-hour chart is got a bullish cross on the 2-hour chart as well. Okay, on the daily chart, we're still in a downtrend on the daily chart. Got a higher low, lower high, closing, so it's an inside day, closing inside the bearish trap under the 17 EMA. SPY still in a downtrend. All right, QQQ, inside day, closing under the trap, under the 17 EMA. Took out these lows, still in a downtrend. FNGU. Inside day, closing under the trap, under the 17, under this pivot. Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. It's in a downtrend, closing underneath the bearish trap, underneath the 17 EMA. FNGU, also in a downtrend. So that's SPY, QQQ, and FNGU, all in downtrends. FNGU is the big caps. Okay, so there's FNGU. Let's take a look at IWM. That's a Russell 2000. Russell 2000 is in an uptrend, making higher lows and higher lows and higher highs up here. Russell 2000 got a higher low here and a higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. IWM in an uptrend. Diamond Dow also in an uptrend. It has to break this low to be in a downtrend, unless of course they produce a higher low and then go below it. Okay, so there's Diamond Dow still in an uptrend, closing over the bullish cross. We had a bear trap here, closing over the bullish cross. Higher low, higher high, closing over the 17 EMA and over the bullish cross. Nice candle for Diamond Dow. All right, let's take a look at the technicals. First chart, T2122. Okay, so we came back down here, made a higher low from here, then made a higher high, another higher low inside the buy zone now. Okay, we're in the buy zone over here. This is the overbought zone, knocking on the door at the overbought zone, but the bears would not open the door in the overbought zone. All right, so nice work on T2122. T2123, for the most part, green all day except for one VWAP check candle right here. Okay, so almost green all day right there. So moving up. Today, believe it or not, T2123 makes a brand new all-time high on T2123. T2123 3 bar, putting in 3 more green candles or 3 more green bars. Again, new all-time high for T2123. FNGU, okay, for the most part today on a 15-minute, okay, got a selling. Then we got the rally, kind of like yesterday, selling, then a rally, and then some selling, okay? So same thing as yesterday. Selling, rally, selling. See? Same thing. Selling, rally, selling. Same thing happening, okay? Need to, looking like a wedge here, all right? The only thing I don't like looks like another bear flag. Not liking that part at all. See, we had a bear flag here, produced what? Another bear flag, which produced what? Another bear flag, okay? Need to put an end to the bear flag producing. All right. So there's FNGU. All right. Let's go back to the charts. Take a look at What do we want to look at? Let's look at energy. All right, first one, USO. Okay, still in a downtrend, making lower highs and lower lows. Price action inside day, lower high, lower low, closing under bearish trap under the 17 EMA. USO still in a downtrend. UNG still in a downtrend. Did UNG produce a new all-time low? Yes, it did. So UNG produces a new all-time low. If you know, if it puts in a new all-time high or a new all-time low, chances are pretty much 95% that it's probably going to close below the bearish trap, below the 17 EMA if it's bearish, new all-time low. And if it's bullish, it's probably going to close over the bullish trap on over the 17, which is probably both of them over the 17 EMA. So UNG, lower high, lower low, closing under the bearish trap, under the 17 EMA. Okay, UNG downtrend. Silver and gold. Silver starting a new downtrend yesterday. Silver's price action for today has a higher low, and that's an inside day. So a higher low and a lower high closing under the bearish trap under the 17 EMA. Okay, so silver in a downtrend now. Gold still in an uptrend, but a flaky downtrend right here. Why? Because they got a lower high and then they made a lower low as compared to this low and this high. Okay, so that's a flaky downtrend. It's not like broken away from that. Okay, so there's gold on the daily chart, still in an uptrend, but the flaky downtrend. Daily chart, we are in an uptrend, just pulling back. Today's price action, lower, higher low, higher high, closing inside bearish trap, but underneath the 17 EMA on gold. Let's take a look at a few of our sectors. SMH in a downtrend since it broke this low right here. Okay, SMH still in a downtrend. Having an inside day there on SMH. All right, XLK technology. Ever since it broke this low, it's in a downtrend. Inside day for SMH and XLK. QQQ inside day as well. All right, lower high, higher low, closing under the bearish trap under the 17 EMA. Okay, let's go back and take a look at XLF. These are our financials. Financials are in an uptrend. Too bad we couldn't have some more stuff in the uptrend. We could have had a really nice, robust rally. Okay, but the big cap stocks are no longer in an uptrend. They're now in a downtrend. So XLF in an uptrend, making higher lows and higher highs, another higher low right here. So nice uptrend for XLF. You can see higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Okay, so XLF, uptrends. T2123, uptrend. What else is in an uptrend? Let's take a look at IYT. Transports. Hey, look, transports are in an uptrend. It's a harsh pullback, though. Okay, got a higher low right here. Okay, transports made a higher low here and a higher high. So transports in an uptrend. But a harsh pullback to the trend line right here. And we had a bounce yesterday. Today looks like we got an inside day right there. So what's in an uptrend? Let's think about it. Gold's in an uptrend, but a flaky downtrend. Okay, we've got IWM in an uptrend and IYT in an uptrend. So that's Russell 2000, and that's transportation. We got the financials are finally in an uptrend, but we don't have technology. We don't have the Qs. SPY's not in an uptrend, and big mega cap stocks like in the FNGU not in an uptrend. So the market's pulling back. I gotta say the pullback's not violent and not vicious. All right, we are getting some down days, and down days tend to be bigger and longer than up days. You know, when you come down, it's said that you take the elevator down, but you take the stairs up. Okay, so the down days are down, and they're kind of like they're not as violent as they could be. Let me just say that. All right. So that's it for me today. Had a good week, another good week. All right, so I want to wish everybody a wonderful weekend. All right, I'll see you all on Monday at 8 o'clock when we come back. All right, everybody have a wonderful evening. Can you guys hear me? Yep. Gonna get some sleep. All right. We're not gonna be there. Sorry, what will our pivot be for Monday? I don't know yet, Mel, but probably be the same one. Thanks, Stefan. Thank you, T. Thank you, B12. Thanks, Brad. And Brad, if you got any more questions, feel free to type them in there or send them to me in a direct message. Either way. Alan, thank you. Mel, as always, thank you. All right. Probably going to be the same pivot, Mel. All right. Probably. All right, traders, that's it. Everybody have a beautiful weekend. Take care. Be safe. I want to see you all back here 8 o'clock tomorrow. On Monday. Thank you.